Giraffes have long necks for a fascinating reason. Their incredible height allows them to reach the tastiest leaves high up in trees, giving them a feast that other animals can't access. But it's not just about food. Those long necks also help them spot predators lurking in the grass. This unique adaptation is a brilliant example of evolution at work, enhancing their survival in the wild. So, the next time you see a giraffe stretching to nibble on a treetop snack, remember, it's all about thriving in their environment.